Hello kids, today we are going to learn action words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sleep. Sleep means sona. Bath. Bath means nahana. Write. Write means likhna. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Sing. Sing means गाना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Think. Think means सोचना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Cook. Cook means खाना बनाना. Throw. Throw means फेंकना. Pray. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Clean. Clean means साफ करना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Crawl. Crawl means घुटनों के बल चलना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Wash. Wash means धोना. Carry. Carry means ढोना. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Kick. Kick means लात मारना. Drive. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना.